Let's discuss today's cue card, and your topic is describe a time when you helped someone. Your time starts now.
One time I was helped someone was last year when my friend was preparing for a job interview. She was very nervous because it was her first experience after graduation. Since I had some experience with interviews, I decided to help her prepare. I helped her by conducting few mock interviews and giving her feedback on her answers. I helped her improve her resume and suggested how she could highlight her strength more effectively. We spent several evenings practicing together. I helped her because she had always been supporting of me during my studies and I wanted to return the favor. I also like helping people improve their confidence and especially when they were trying something new. In the end, she got the job. She was extremely grateful. I felt really happy and proud that my advice made a difference. And it also made me realize that how rewarding it is to help others achieve their goals.
Okay, that's the end of cue card. You spoke very well, but you made a few mistakes. First of all, you have to identify the tense of the cue card, and this was in past tense. You use we spend, so you must use we spent,
Okay.
and then you use I like.
Okay.
You must have used I liked. And second one, pronunciation. A few words that you mispronounce, you have to pronounce them correctly, and at the end, fluency. You are good at fluency, but you
Okay.
have to be more fluent for getting good bands in
Okay.
IELTS. If you work on these three basic criteria, you will get good bands in IELTS.